Fhrithshóisialta, my name is Mr. O'Sullivan. Capadorach Dortish de Technoliocht na man Fhrithshóisialta. Mar hockey as a society today, ní more doing it ad vol, we must admit. Go gahmi the nummercha ama that we spend too much time. Derter, it is said, nach nemeter gohan that a phone does not leave. Nis fuidje na kera treha, further than 4 feet, o ushkiocht a unera, from the presence of its owner. Ma vrachniter oughter be if one looks any place, down furberha, developed world, agus few vons to down for briachta, and even in the developing world. Fector an kinnet dealna sauches na gohain, one sees the human race stuck in phones. Biog bion oblivious to, avwil eg titim amach timpel orhu, that which is happening around them. Vioch bo ogring leshen te oud, we would have sympathy for that person. Le corge non guelte, with friends or with relations. Da medish eg denum commerçad irul, if they would be making virtual communication. I gonger is again, near and far. Ach ni haulig and scale, but that is not the case. Nilimid gafele, we are not addicted to. Ach of will le fall orhu, but that is to be gotten on them. Skillna socialta reini na linisha, the social skills of the people of this generation. Torrenta no ig iadu, limited or declining. Dererichéla gradually. Morial an aspa commerçaja as a result of the lack of communication. A ascriter as, that sprouts from. Niskillene richtanacha, the necessary skills. Shachnien dini tagval diniela, people avoid contact with other people. Falkter lor iad, they are left out. Con ave folloin morgine, to be healthy as a person. Coluder agus cordia, company and friends. Eg tastal uing, needed by us. Intus na nintus, surprise of surprises. Eg falling le galler intena, suffering with mental illness. Near chaurig schlecht na pandema, the devastation of the pandemic did not help. Leshen vibe sha with this problem. Skara dini ona hela, people were separated from each other. Fag trev shifada for long periods of time. Vi orhu lasavint as, they had to use Conan Tomachav to spend the time. Rian na pandema, the residue of the pandemic. Le mohu in our soki chuiha, to be felt in our society forever. Morgluin, as a generation, in Umar na Hailesha, in the depths of despair. Tanamar going, we have too much. Bu na faina, the gift of patience. In asnev ring illa, in absence in us all. Fighter prop hosiv, one gets instant gratification. Solaharian Instagram provides. Locked usaja gohan, phone users. Searshra green graph is fishon, a continuous flow or stream of pictures and videos. Ma heppener hjarnacha, if one of them fails, spatian dinne avala, to attract a person's attention. Loharch bound, straight away or immediately. Nis lu no, less than. A vaster, it is estimated. Tasiko gwil, we know that. Nemilta rawa ella, thousands of other opportunities or chances. Ek vanacht orhu, waiting for them. Scrollu biog awan, with one small scroll. Munavil rodegen, if something is not. Maltach, attractive. Imieter on iracht, one departs from the effort. On maid shin rowan ella, that many other choices. Ismihid doing adval, it is time for us to admit. Lotte de chora, spoiled as a result of. Forest bar rowana, excess or surplus options. Tradarev, once upon a time. Bhí duine in ann a person was able to, or the yearú air, to focus attention upon. A wallart atá fear anish. The opposite is true now. Bachar cimioch an seanachal, the proverb should be, being blas an miogáin. Small things are sweetest. Mar live lice doing illa, as a healing herb for us all. An America DNA, too much of anything. Níl mass ná fiúntas ag an té sin, that person has no respect or worth for, sa bhéad atá acu, in the amount that they have. Déanam iontas den bhéad, I wonder about the amount. Réadúil, realistic. So darn fearúil, in the virtual world. Massam, I estimate, or I think. Corrigail, make believe. Imar arema, in the height of its reign. Fhrithshóisialta, the social platforms. Cohitar físina breagacha. False images are maintained. Con yarvu to prove. Dun dawan war, to the entire world. Ra, success. Glachtar agus reinter, one takes and one shares. Either a green graph is Meáin, both pictures and videos. Skaga, filtered. Erurav, sometimes. Na gnéthe is feardíomh, the best aspects of them. A oibh siú, to highlight. A cohín leis an bhís I rule, that maintain the virtual image. Ach tríocht in áitina dríochta, adventure in magical places. Targi luachfara, valuable products. Béalta blasta in mílana costasacha, tasty meals in expensive restaurants, agus arilla, and etc. Lagan locht úsáid in the Meáin, the users of social media put upon báiriocht, úlaigh orthú féin. Too much of a burden on themselves. Brew, pressure. Is fáil go héir é. It is an insurmountable barrier. A bheith ag iarraidh, to be trying to. Fís iarúil orfa. A perfect virtual vision. Cosúla sin, similar to that. Hála sin, on the heel of that, or as well as that. Cúirt chuntuirteach, dangerous power. Eochairfhocail, social influencers. Raining siad an túlach seo. They share this burden. Lucht lanúna, followers. Gusiri, continuously. Ag iarraidh athris a dhéanamh attempting to imitate a léachra, their heroes. Cé go raibh daoine ag marachdal, even though people were living, scá a chéile, in each other's shadows, ó gine ádaimh, since the beginning of time. Tá freigracht anish oring. We have a responsibility now, a bheith níos orderly, to be more aware. Na scáhanna in a bharmid, the shadows in which we live. So live.